Hey guys, it's Dr. Chris at Adventure Chiropractic, but we're on a road trip today and felt really bad because when we actually came down, we were going to shoot this video. We got out of the office a little bit late because we were still seeing some patients when we got on the road. So we basically forgot to shoot this video before we came down to St. Louis. But the good news is we have a whole trip back. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a checklist on what you can do to have a better ride in your car, prevent some low back pain, maybe sciatica if you have that going on. So let's get on how you can sit better so that you don't have pain in your car. First of all, just check how you're getting in and out of your car. If you're trying to one leg your way in and limbo while you do it, you're probably gonna end up tweaking something if you already got a little ache or pain. So go ahead and sit down in your seat, get comfortable, slide yourself in sideways. Always a safe way to get in and out if you're already having pain. Number two, make sure that you get stuff out of your pockets. If you're walking around with a wallet in your back pocket that's propping you up on one side, you were sitting crooked for the entire ride. If you got one like we have coming up, you don't want to be sitting crooked for 14 hours straight. We next can go on how our seat's set up. Like, can you reach the pedals well? Can you reach the steering wheel? This is not a good idea to be in this shoulders up position for hours and hours. So you want to just move your seat forward where you need it, or down where you need it, or up where you need it. You want to make sure that when you get in here on this steering wheel, that when you're leaned back, your arms are relaxed and comfortable, your head is pretty well straight up against the headrest. You can always make a little game out of that throughout your drive. Check every few songs on the radio whether you're actually touching the headrest or not, or in an upright position instead of slouching forward. For all people my age or a little bit older, we remember 10 and 2 is where we were taught to drive. This gets your shoulders up nice and high. Now driver's ed officially teaches way down here at the bottom. Always got to remember that time. I think it's 8 and 4. Okay, so we got to go ahead and get our hands down here at the bottom of the steering wheel so our shoulders stay nice and relaxed, down, and we're in a pretty comfortable position. Last, we need to remember lumbar support. Always better to have a little more than not enough. So you want to make sure that you adjust your seat if you have an adjustment. If you don't, or if your seat adjuster doesn't go up as far as you feel like it should, because we got to remember cars are made for an average height of a person that is, an average male is 5'8", an average woman is 5'5", and they basically mash those together. So average car's lumbar support is built for somebody around 5.5 feet tall. Okay, that's not the average height of most people in our area. So I am a giant compared to average at 5'10", and we might need more lumbar support. So you can use something like a McKenzie roll or a mesh lumbar support behind your back. Get that right into the seat, press our arch back, and now you've got a lot of pressure relieved on your back and you're in a more upright posture while you're driving the whole way along. These can be really inexpensive way to stay comfortable if you have long drive and are frequently driving that long. Hope these tips help you drive a little bit more comfortably, save yourself some aches and pains. But if you just can't get rid of that nagging pain, remember, we're always here at Adventure Chiropractic to help you move better, feel better, be a better you.
Everybody's moving, everybody's moving, everybody's moving, 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 moving. Everybody's moving, everybody's moving, everybody's moving, 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 and stop.